Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer brand assets into Adobe Illustrator. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To start, open Adobe Illustrator on your computer. Prepare your brand assets by gathering all necessary files you want to transfer. These files may include logos, images, graphics, or any design elements. Check the file formats to ensure they are compatible with Illustrator. Common formats include JPG, PNG, SVG, and AI. Once ready, locate the folder containing your brand assets. In Illustrator, go to the File menu at the top left corner. Select Open from the drop-down menu. Navigate to the folder where your brand assets are stored. Choose the first asset you want to import and click Open. The asset will now appear on your Illustrator workspace. To adjust its size, use the Selection tool from the toolbar. Click and drag the corners of the asset to resize as needed. If you're importing multiple assets, repeat the file open process for each. Alternatively, you can drag and drop files directly into the Illustrator workspace. Once all assets are in place, organize them using layers. Access the Layers panel by going to Window and selecting Layers. Create new layers for every type of asset for better organization. You can drag each asset to the appropriate layer for easy management. Use the Align tools in the top panel to position your assets precisely. If needed, apply colors to your graphics using the color picker. For further editing, utilize the Pen tool and Shape tools for customization. When satisfied with the arrangement, save your project. Go to File and select Save As. Choose your preferred file format for final output. Click Save and finalize any additional options. Your brand assets are now successfully transferred into Adobe Illustrator. You can begin designing your project with these assets readily available. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.